Are you tired of people not taking you seriously or not giving you the respect you deserve? Hello and welcome to our video on the 9 secrets to earning respect. Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 9 proven tips to help you earn the respect of others. These are not just generic advice, but practical and effective strategies that you can start implementing today. We've got a lot of valuable information to share with you in this video, so watch till end. Don't miss out on any pointer, and let's dive into the secrets to earning respect. Number 9 is respect. Respect is the foundation of building positive relationships. It's stunning how many individuals overlook this simple principle. To earn respect from others, you must first extend it to them. This involves being courteous and polite, regardless of their actions. Listen to their perspectives and give them the chance to be heard. Avoid jumping to conclusions or speaking condescendingly towards them. In essence, treat others in the manner you wish to be treated. When you exhibit respectful behavior, it's inevitable that respect will be returned to you in kind. Number 8. Respect starts with self-regard. Let's engage in a brief introspective exercise. Identify someone in your life that you hold in high esteem. It could be anyone, a relative, a friend, a colleague, or even a celebrity. The reason you respect this person is likely due to their unwavering self-respect. They exude confidence in their own skin and in the actions they take. If you want to earn the respect of others, it's imperative to demonstrate your self-respect through your demeanor and decisions. Only then will people perceive you as someone deserving of their respect. Number 7. Don't overdo kindness. Being overly accommodating doesn't necessarily equate to earning respect. In fact, it can have a detrimental effect, as people can see through those who consistently try to please others at the expense of their own needs. This can give off an impression of weakness and indecisiveness, making you more susceptible to being taken advantage of. Instead of being overly nice, find a balance between being assertive and considerate. It's important to be able to stand up for yourself when necessary, without losing your kindness. Being a pushover will only lead to people taking advantage of you, whereas a healthy balance of kindness and self-assertiveness will earn you the respect you deserve. Number 6. Establish defined limits. To effectively implement the previous concept, it's crucial to master the art of setting clear boundaries. Unfortunately, this is a challenge for many individuals, but it's a key factor in earning respect. You need to communicate your non-negotiables and what you won't tolerate from others without hesitation. When someone oversteps your boundaries, assert yourself and kindly inform them. They may not be cognizant of the fact that they're offending you. In addition to professional boundaries, it's also crucial to establish personal limits. Don't feel obligated to say yes to every request or invitation. It's okay to prioritize yourself on occasion. Establishing clear boundaries exhibits to others that you respect yourself and aren't easily swayed, which is a critical aspect of gaining respect from others. Number 5. Speak your mind in disagreement. Have you ever kept silent during a disagreement due to fear of confrontation? Most of us have been there. However, if you remain quiet, others may misinterpret your silence as agreement or that you lack your own convictions. It's imperative to assert yourself and defend your beliefs, even if it leads to a contentious discussion. Doing so demonstrates bravery and shows that you have conviction in your opinions. People will respect you for standing up for what you believe in, even if they don't share the same viewpoint. So don't shy away from expressing your thoughts and opinions, as it will earn you respect from those around you. Number 4. Limit unnecessary apologies. While apologizing for mistakes is crucial, there's a fine line between a genuine apology and an insincere one. An insincere apology is a mere attempt to conceal your wrongdoing, whereas a sincere apology exhibits true remorse and an effort to rectify the situation. People can usually distinguish between the two, and excessive apologies can portray weakness and insecurity. Hence, before apologizing, ensure that it stems from a place of sincerity, and avoid using it as a means to save face. Over-apologizing will only detract from your character and reduce the weight of your genuine apologies. Number 3. Embrace open-mindedness. Having an open mind can be a challenge for many, but it's crucial for earning respect. Being open-minded involves a willingness to embrace new ideas and perspectives, even if they vary from your own. It entails having an impartial viewpoint and the ability to consider both sides of any situation. By being open-minded, you showcase your versatility and adaptability rather than rigidity, sticking to your opinions. Demonstrating this quality can lead to people respecting you for your balanced and objective approach to various issues. Number 2. Honesty is the best policy. People respect individuals who keep their word and follow through on their promises. Being reliable and dependable is crucial in earning respect, so make sure you never break a promise you've made. A person of integrity is valued by others and is known for their trustworthiness. So if you want to be respected, be someone who follows through on their commitments and is always honest in their actions. Number 1. Bring true worth. To gain the respect of others, it's crucial to bring real value to their lives. This means being a positive force, contributing to their well-being and improving situations, instead of causing harm or negativity. It's about being helpful, not just a people pleaser. Offer your skills and resources in ways that truly benefit others, and they'll quickly start recognizing your worth. That's it for today's video. We hope that these 9 secrets to earning respect have given you some valuable insights on how to improve your interactions with others. Remember, earning respect is not something that happens overnight, but with practice and consistency, you'll see yourself becoming a more respected and confident individual. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any other tips for earning respect, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay respectful and stay tuned for more great content.